Happy morning, dear friends. Here's yours, Dr. Rajanta. Welcome to Demystify with Ajay. Another extremely big week in AI. From humanoid robots to Manhattan-sized data centers. Here's what happened in the last 7 days, and trust me, it's wild. The first one, OpenAI launches ChatGPT agent. Yes, dear friends, OpenAI just dropped ChatGPT agent, a new gen upgrade combining operator, deep research and conversational intelligence. So it can now handle calendar scheduling, travel planning, presentation and more all on its own. Autonomous AI has officially arrived. Next, Runway releases Act 2 motion capture model. Yes, dear friends, Runway launched Act 2, a motion capture model that animates full body characters, including head, face, and hand gesture, all from a single performance video. Hollywood level animation from your laptop. Next, DuckDuckGo adds AI image filter. A difference, don't want AI generated images in your search result? Yes, DuckDuckGo just gave you that options with a toggle in the image tab. So user control meets search transparency. Next, Amazon unveils Kiro, AI-powered IDE. Different Amazon Web Service introduced Kiro, a smart IDE that uses AI agents to convert spec into code, documentation, and test automatically. So coding just became collaborative with AI. Next, Anthropic launches Claude integration directory. Yes, dear friends, Claude now plugs directly into Notion, Canva, Figma, Stripe and more. So one-click integration to supercharge your workflows with AI. So your favorite tools now smarter. Next, Meta to build AI supercomputers the size of Manhattan. Yes, dear friends, you heard that right. Meta announced plans to build multi-gigawatt AI supercomputing clusters. And the first, called Prometheus, so will be physically the size of Manhattan. AI scale is officially off the charts. Next, Netflix uses generative AI in its shows. Different Netflix confirmed its use of generative AI for visual effects in the sci-fi series AI Ernota. So cutting production time and cost without sacrificing the quality. AI is now part of the streaming pipeline. Next, Mistral AI releases Voxtral speech model. Difference, Voxtral is Mistral's open source speech recognition model. It transcribes up to 30-minute sessions and handles question and answers up to 40 minutes at nearly half the cost of competitors. High accuracy speech AI, now open source. Next, China's moonshot AI open source Kimi K2. Difference, China just open sourced Kimi K2, a 32 billion mixture of experts model with 1 trillion parameters, capable of competing with the best in code, reasoning and language tasks. So open source AI is heating up globally. Next, Google launches AI mode with deep search and call assistant. Yes, dear friends, Google's AI mode now includes Gemini 2.5 Pro, deep search for advanced queries, and an AI agent that can even call local businesses for you. So your search engine just became your assistant. Next, Descartes launches Mirage LSD for real-time AI videos. Dear friends, meet Mirage LSD, the first AI video model with zero latency, live stream editing at 20 FPS. So think real-time generative visuals streamed. Video AI is now live. Next, LTX Studio unlocks 60-second AI video generation. Yes, dear friends, LTXV just became the first model to generate full minute video clips with real-time speed and creative control over camera, style and moment. The future of AI filmmaking is here. The last, of course, amazing. China unveils a humanoid robot that changes its own battery. Dear friends, the Walker S2 is the world's first humanoid robot that detects low power, returns to its clock and swap its own battery. So self-sustaining robots are no longer sci-fi. Dear friends, AI is moving faster than ever across tools, labs and even continents. Want to stay ahead of the curve? Follow Demystify with Ajay and never miss another breakthrough. Thanks for watching. Happy learning, dear friends.